Yeah. Yeah. Alright, no worries, brother. Yeah, hang on, just 1 minute, yeah. Oh mate's about to take off. Alright brother, no worries, you have a good night, eh? Alright, 2 boys, bye. Oh, some bad videography going on here. I lost it. Now. Shaky cameraman. Oh, the captain's tearing up the skies. Shit, lost it again. There she is. Aye, Captain. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, we got that. Bit of commentary going on in the background. Oopsie. Man, this ain't going to be the best footage, you know that. It's hard to see. It's hard to see. It's probably more like my bad camera skills more so than anything. Beautiful sunset going on down there in the background. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah, nice.
Don't switch it off.
Nah. You'll be happy with this one, huh? The ultimate yak, huh?
Hey guys, this is the yak54 from Seagulls. I got it equipped with a OSGT33 gas engine in there.
Very nice.
Full high voltage server around running on 2 cells. Same thing with the gas engine. Nothing is using BEC on this one. Thanks for watching.
Beautiful. How do we start?